أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. This is Qari Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al Furqanul Hakim Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. My dear students, my dear teachers, today we are going to learn lesson number 2. Actually, this is the lesson number 2. This is the misprinting here. Joining letters here. Instructions. In this lesson we will learn how the words are formed by joining alphabets. Have your students identify every alphabet in a word. For example, lam, alif is actually lam plus alif. We will also learn the different shapes of particular letters, for example lam alif. So listen. We will read each letter separately as we read individual letters. This is the compound letters: alif, lam alif, lam alif, ba alif. It is the beginning shape of a ba. It is the beginning shape of lam. It is also, this is the another shape of a lam alif. Lam, it is a full shape of lam. Lam alif, lam ha, lam alif, ba lam ba, kaf, kaf, kaf ba, kaf ba, kaf alif, kaf alif, ba kaf ta, ta kaf tha, ba ta, tha, noon ya, ba alif, noon alif, ta alif, ya alif, tha alif, ba sin, ya sin, noon sin, ta sin, tha sin, tha jim, ta ha. This is ta because there are two dots, okay, above the letter, and this is a ya because there is two dots at the bottom. This is sa. This is sa, and it has three dots at the top. Noon, ha, ya, ha, ba, jim, ya, mim, ba, mim, noon, mim, ta, mim, tha, mim, ba, ya, 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 noon, ya, ta, ya, tha, ya, noon, ba, lam, ta, noon, lam, ba, ya, lam, ya, ta, lam, tha, tha, lam, noon, ba, noon, ba, noon, noon. It is the beginning shape of a ba and it is the middle shape of a noon, ending shape of a noon. Is it clear? Next. Ta, ya, noon. Beginning shape of ta, middle shape of ya, ending shape of noon. Ya, ta, noon. Tha, tha, noon. Jim, ha, kha, ha, tha, kha, ba, jim, ta, ta, ha, ta, या जीम बा ba kha ta ta ha. This is a round ta. Ba ta ya ha ta ha noon ta ha ya ha ba. ba ha alif ba ha mim dal zal jim dal kha zal ra za jim ra kha za ra za ya ra ta za sin shin sin lam shin lam صاد ضاد طاء ظاء صاد باء طاء باء ضاد alif. These are all in green color in this two lines. Haruf musta'aliya letters, khussa, daght, nuqiz, 7 bold letters. Ra, alif, ain, ghain, hamza, ghain, ain, za, ghain, ra, صاد عين. Heavy letter, za is a heavy letter, ghain is a heavy letter, and it is the ending shape of ain. This is the ain, okay? This is the ain, not ha. Ending shape of ain, ending shape of ghain. Dad, ghain, ba, ain, dal. Beginning shape of ba, middle shape of ain, ending shape of dal. Ba, ain, dal. Ta, ghain, dal. Hamza. This is the Hamza alif, Hamza waw, Hamza ya, fa, qaf, heavy letter. Waw. When you read waw, and your lips should be rounded. Qaf, waw, fa, qaf, lam, qaf, fa, lam, ya, fa, mim, mim, ha, mim, lam, mim, ta, mim, ta, mim, ta. This is the middle shape of mim. My dear students, I read fast because I don't want to make a long video for you. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please share it as much as you can on different social medias, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Facebook, and TikTok. Thank you very much for watching. Allah.